Has anyone been to the Din Tai Fung restaurant that's kind of gone viral all over TikTok? So I went there a few weeks ago with my wife. So I'm going to come up with my version of that cucumber appetizer. So I've got these little baby cucumbers and I'm just slicing them up the way that I saw them. Maybe not exactly. Something like that. Put them in a bowl. Get you a healthy portion of gochujang. Big old portion. Soy sauce. I prefer Japanese. If you've seen any of my videos, you know the unboxing from the Asian stores that I always use Japanese. So get that soy sauce and that gochujang and just kind of mix it up so that the paste dissolves. You can see that paste is pretty well dissolved. Add mirin, sesame oil. I like to be generous. You know, pro chefs will tell you not to, but I just love that nutty soy taste, or nutty sesame. Sushi vinegar or rice wine vinegar, then more soy sauce, okay? This is what I've come up with. I don't know if it's Din Tai Fung's actual recipe, but pour that over the cucumbers. Okay, stir it real good. Find a spot in your fridge for 3 hours, but halfway through the process, we're gonna stir it. Time to stir. Ooh, look at that. Back in. All right, it may not be as pretty as Din Tai Fung, or Din Tai Fung. Did I say it right?
I can't do it. Can you eat with chopsticks?
Din Tai Fung.
It's as delicious.
Is it as good as Din Tai Fung?
I've never been there.
You haven't? But is it as good?
I don't know.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how's it taste?
Solid 8.5.